you see the historical, evolution of relations between both the countries, and what are some of the significant milestones that you can share with us?
Thank you very much for inviting me over. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Brazil, as you said, 7th largest economy, is the 6th largest population. Rather, Pakistan has recently crossed it to become number 5. Is a very, very interesting country in the sense that it has a very large landmass. It's the largest landmass in the Southern America, South American region. And the people are very interesting and enterprising. They are football lovers. They have a very long and cherished history, very rich in culture, very rich in cuisine, the coffee and everything, and very, very friendly people. I'm very fortunate to have visited Brazil. The city of Sao Paulo is one of the largest in Brazil. Unfortunately, in last 75 years, Pakistan's relation with Brazil, though have always been very friendly, but they've not been economically productive as should have been because of the population and the potential. Because Brazil has a lot of potential in agriculture, sports and everything. They are football lovers and we are football producers.